So today I am unboxing this Royal typewriter I got at the Goodwill. I had it upside down. As you can see, the back of the case has some rust and damage. $24.99 at ye olde Goodwill. There's a little string here. Okay, I'm going to give this a pop. Open up the case. So here she is. She's a Royal Aristocrat. You see there's a little dust. Most of the keyboard is super clean. Come in on that a little later. There's a little bit of scratching right here, and there's a big scratch on the paint right here. But otherwise, it's in beautiful condition. It's blue. Ooh, I can definitely see some rust down in the mechanisms. I might need to take it apart and clean it. Authorized Royal Service Centers. And there's some other paperwork in the bottom here. Oh, wow. Oh, neat. Okay. So what we've got here, let me put this baby right back down. It's got, it's secured in the case by a little mechanism here. I'll tip it so you can see it. So there's a mechanism here that looks like it locks it in the case. There's a little tape down here. I'm not sure, what that goes to. That's not a good sign. I'm going to put it right back down where it belongs. That's set in that lock and kind of settles in. Yeah, and then it locks right on down. Have a little character turn here. We'll have to adjust that back. So we have a rusty piece of metal that I don't know where it goes. We have a rusty key, obviously, for the case. It's not a very sophisticated key. You'd probably fake that pretty easily. So also we have a Royal Typewriter 5-year guarantee. Looks like there's a hole in the corner, probably for some hang tag. It was purchased in 12/20/1966, so it was probably a Christmas present because it's December. But now we have a date for it, which is awesome. You can always buy a Royal with confidence. Every Royal portable is guaranteed for 5 years. Well, it was only guaranteed until 1969, so there you have that. Have a manual. It looks like it was taped in. The care and use of your new Royal portable. It was designed for you. Unfolds here. Ooh, we have all the instructions. So the margin control. Which I was curious. No, margin control. Not so sure about. Magic column set is the one I'm curious about, but I'm sure that's in here. Handy set margin control. Ribbon change. I'm going to probably need to purchase some new ribbons on Amazon. 6 steps for taking care of your typewriter. That's awesome. Inside, ooh, look, what a nice graphic. This explains the magic column set. I was curious about that, but Royal's magic column set is the wonderfully quick and easy method of setting up as many columns as you want across the page. If all you've ever used is Microsoft Word, you don't know what a challenge that is. That was pretty challenging in the typewriter era. So you couldn't just set up your tabs to tab across. So that's, and it even explains how the base clamps go in the case. It's lovely. And then we have important information for the owner of this Royal portable typewriter. This is your certificate of guarantee. Certificate of guarantee. On the back, no one filled out the dealer's name and address or date of purchase or serial number. There's got to be a serial number in here somewhere. Ooh, I hadn't thought of that. All right, let's see. We have a serial number? Not sure. Okay, I'm going to take this out of its case. Lock the bases. Shift the case out of the way. Ooh. You don't just hit that space bar and have it move across the thing. You have to do one hit for each space. That gets it right back in there. Okay. Take this. Ooh, how do I loosen that? Shift that. Yeah, shifts down that way. And looks like it snaps right out. Not much staining on here. This looks like here we have the serial number. Royal McBee Corporation, made in the USA. USA! Protected by US and foreign patents, patent numbers. So right here it says it's Aristocrat, made in the USA. And I love the blue color. It's really nice. I've seen a lot of the green Royals when I went to look at went to look at the value of this, but I don't see a lot of the blues. It looks like we have ribbon in here. I wonder if the ribbon has gone or not. I almost want to take a piece of scratch paper and pop it in. First though, I'm going to take my phone. No, I'll try and type it first, and then we can take a look at, let's see. Here's just a piece of scrap paper. I'm going to try and type with it, and then we'll take a look at how it handles. I think there's yeah, there we go. Okay, that's what we needed to do to get it rolling up. I should read the instructions probably. Okay, start there. Okay. Shift. The ribbon doesn't work. R-O-Y-A-L. Ooh, got a little bit of an L there. Let me try that again. No, it does a nice sound when it pops in, but I'm going to need to replace this ribbon before I can get it to type. Yeah. Oh, look at those letters though. Oh, they're cursive. Let me see if I can. Ooh. I forgot typewriters did that. It jammed. How cute is that? I'm going to take this on and see if the more protected part of the ribbon might type. Okay. No, you can't really see that. Shoot. Let me try it again. Ooh, wait. It's getting a little bit better. Okay, let's see if I can hammer it really hard. Forgive me for a moment. No, you can't barely see it. But when I pull this out and when I can type with it, this is not giving me a Courier, something that looks like the Courier font, which you typically see from a typewriter. This is actually giving me this kind of faux cursive. It's really adorable, and I'm super excited to see what it looks like when we have a new ribbon in it. So, all right, I'm gonna take my phone off of the, there we go, take it off of the thing, and I'll give you a little tour of the up close on the typewriter. So here's all the keys. Not sure what this lever does right here. So this is what it looks like inside. And I'll take the paper out and I'll show you where the rust is. It's not so nice. See if I can get a nice close-up of the, yeah, there you can see Royal. And there we go. Aristocrat. There you can really, if my video will focus, there you can really see how it's that kind of faux cursive. It'll be really nice when we get the ribbon in. So, come on, focus. There we go. And I'm going to take the paper out and I'll show you deep in here. See, we've got behind the ribbon down here, got some rusty bits. Need to be cleaned. I need to get in there with a wire brush. But in general, Aristocrat made in the USA. What a lovely machine.